The forecast is pretty picture perfect here locally. It is warm out there, but no place you'd rather be, right? We do have some clouds out over Fort Worth and Dallas. Those clouds have built with that sunshine. We've got a little bit of moisture, not enough to get any rain though. McKinney sits at 87 degrees right now, 86 in Denton, still at 89 in Fort Worth and 87 in Dallas. Notice those dew points sitting generally in the upper 50s, right close to 60. So we do have that nice, comfortable and dry feel to the air. Now the last 5 days, that's how many days we've had through the month of October, we've been above average by 5 to 10 degrees. Today we were 6 degrees above average, and this trend continues, and here's why. We have this ridge of high pressure. Right now it's sitting out over the southeast coast, but that is going to continue to retreat back to the west the next couple of days, and it just parks itself there. As we get through the end of the extended period, that high pressure ridge will continue to dominate our forecast. We have a cold front that will try to bring us a few isolated shower chances this week, but overall our forecast remains mainly dry and above normal. Here's our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. So this gets us through the first 2/3 of the month. Keep in mind, October is typically our second wettest month of the year. We are trending above average for temperatures, and we are trending below average again as we get through the first 2/3 of the month, which is pretty unusual. Now we are going to tap into just a little bit of moisture as we get through the next couple of days. Notice on our water vapor imagery here, the orange out over Texas, that is dry air. But what we will watch is right here, just off the Gulf Coast. We've got a little bit of moisture to work with. Some of that is going to work with the cold front that we've got on the way the next few days. So there's that Gulf moisture that I was talking about. Notice as we get into tomorrow, a couple of those sea breeze showers start to try to push into our eastern counties. I'm giving us that 10% rain chance for tomorrow, but also for Tuesday, because notice with the approach of this cold front, that gives us just enough lift to see a couple of those showers pop up with the daytime heating during the afternoon. It is very minimal low-end shower chances, but consider yourself lucky if you happen to be one of the folks who picks up on some of that, because from that point on, we dry out once again for quite some time. Let's talk tropics. We've got that blob that we were talking about in the Gulf. Not expecting that to develop into anything tropical. It'll just be some moisture to work with. But we do have this easterly wave coming off the coast of Africa. That's been given that 70% chance of development over the next week. So that'll be a spot to watch. Here's a look at tomorrow's forecast. We'll see mainly sunny skies. We start the day close to that 70-degree mark. We head back to the upper 80s to near 90 tomorrow afternoon, and that is where we will sit for much of the extended period. Upper 80s Tuesday and Wednesday with the approach of that cold front. It knocks a degree or two off of our temperatures, especially during the mornings, but overall it is a weak front, so we're not going to see much from this. We hang on to the sunshine as we get into the end of the week, and notice those temperatures rebound quickly. Upper 80s as we round out the week, back close to 90 as we head into next Sunday, Steve.